Hey you guys, it's Kay Serena. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this half up, half down quick weave. Super easy, featuring Yiroo hair, and I'm going to show you exactly how I got it done.
I know the way to your front door. Run up the stairs to the 5th floor. Day after day I'm wanting more of you. Taking the sights and hear the sounds. Feeling my body leave the ground. Turn up the song and play it loud for you. Love is everywhere.
So I just sat under my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes on high. If you guys don't have a hooded dryer, I showed you guys that you can just go ahead and use your blow dryer. I'm not sure how long it would take, but I did put one coat on the braids. I put the cap on, and then halfway through my blow dry, I just decided to put another coat on top of the cap just to make sure the glue doesn't seep through. So I'm going to show you guys how that looks. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and get started.
Love is everywhere. Where you go, I'm there. Together, together, always together. Love is everywhere. Love is everywhere. Where you go, I'm there. Together, together, always together. Nothing could come between us, love. Birds of a feather high above. Fly like an arrow right out of the blue. Cutting a hole through my heart. Cupid, I guess he played this part. Sistine Chapel, work of art. It's true. Love is everywhere. Love is everywhere. Where you go, I'm there. Together, together, always together. Love is everywhere. Love is everywhere. Where you go, I'm there. Together, together, always together. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Love is everywhere. Love is everywhere. Where you go, I'm there. Together, together, always together.